Good morning, puppies. Good morning. Hi, puppies. Hi, guys. What a difference a week makes. These guys are so much more coordinated. Hi. Oh, who got stuck behind? Who's this? I can't see. Oh, Redeem. Or not Redeem. Oh. Darcy. I'm getting my letters mixed up. Hi, Darcy. Hi, puppies. Let's see who's over here. Hi, puppies. Oh, hi. Yeah. So this will be the last post for the weekend because I'm headed out of town. All the puppies are in wonderful hands. My kids will still be here. My dad and my two nephews are all taking care of everybody in the farm. But I won't be here with the puppies, so there won't be the videos. And we're about to head out. Hi, guys. Yeah, you guys be good. Yeah. Okay. Well. My jeans must taste good.
All right, are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.